Whether the Supreme Court judgment, July 2018, can settle the political tussle between the Lieutenant Governor and elected government of Delhi? Examine. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The political struggle between the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government of Delhi has been a significant issue, focused on how powers and responsibilities are shared in governing the National Capital Territory. In July 2018, the Supreme Court of India made an important ruling aimed at clarifying the roles of the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government body. Key points of the Supreme Court judgment, July 2018 Udas Smiley Constitutional Interpretation. The court ruled that the Lieutenant Governor must follow the advice of Delhi's Council of Ministers, except on matters related to land, police, and public order. Harmonious interpretation. The judgment stressed the need for a balanced interpretation of Article 239A, which outlines Delhi's special status, to maintain a proper power distribution between the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government. Consultation and cooperation. The court stated that the Lieutenant Governor should not interfere in daily government operations and must collaborate with the Council of Ministers. Examination of the judgment's impact on the political tussle, clarification of powers. The ruling clearly defines the powers and responsibilities, which can help reduce conflicts. Legal framework. The judgment provides a legal basis for resolving disputes, potentially decreasing political confrontations. Limitations of the judgment, interpretation issues. The ruling may leave some areas open to interpretation, leading to differing views and more conflicts. Political dynamics. Ongoing political issues at the central and state levels may continue to affect the relationship between the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government. Conclusion. The Supreme Court's 2018 judgment provides a clear legal framework outlining the roles of the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government in Delhi. However, it may not fully resolve their political struggles. The effectiveness of the judgment relies on both parties' willingness to cooperate, interpret the ruling positively, and prioritize the interests of citizens. Cooperation and consultation are essential for effective governance and the well-being of Delhi's residents.